You guys ever have a really grungy old military stock like this guy? I'll show you. Quick tip here to clean it up. What we always do is we take some paint thinner, mineral spirits, and 4-aught steel wool. Let me show you. We'll do a little section here so you guys take a look at the remarkable transformation of just a little bit of elbow grease along with some 4-aught steel wool. Now 4-aught steel wool is probably one of the most handiest things you can keep in your shop when you're working with your guns and your, it'll remove rust from blued parts of your gun, and you don't even have to worry about scratching them. If you got light surface rust, it's awesome for that. Now look at this, just a little bit of scrubbing with this, and you can see the difference in the area of the stock we just cleaned compared to the rest of it. Look at the color coming out on that stock. It's beautiful. So, mineral spirits, it's great. The wood doesn't soak it up. You won't swell up your wood. You're not changing, you're not stripping, nothing. All you're doing is you're removing the accumulated years of grease and grime and, fingerprints and just atmosphere that attacks the stock and attaches to it. And you can see the color coming out already. And I mean, this is, especially you guys that like me, that like to keep your guns looking original condition, this is an awesome way to clean them up and not have to worry about, oh, am I damaging the condition of it. You don't want to. I like to keep authenticity. That's my whole thing with my rifles. So something like this, it's just, look how nice that color looks. And what I will do after this is you can put a couple of coats of boiled linseed oil on it. Or, as far as I would go, I'd also put a little bit of Birchwood Casey has their True Oil, and I like that because that really highlights the grains. And you can see with just a little bit of rubbing what we did to that stock. See that? Really pretty. We did this side already. You can see it. We're not totally done with it, but it just lightens it up. It pulls off all the garbage and just the grain on the wood. This is Arctic Birch, by the way. I'm pretty sure it's Arctic Birch. And look how nice that stock is coming out. So you spend an hour doing this, and you can get as fine as you want. And after that, you can go over this with like 1,000 grit or 2,000 grit sandpaper if you want, and that would make this stock just, shine. It'll look like glass. So, quick tip for you guys: go about your cleaning stocks. Till next time.